you go through. Want to make it?
Probably go. Yes, you're gonna make it. You're gonna make it.
What about the other side?
Let's see. You might not. No, you're getting closer and closer to the
Tell me to
wall.
stop.
You're not gonna make it. Stop. Stop. Oh yeah, you already touched the wall.
Taking you. Am I hitting the plastic?
No, you're hitting this part.
Is the tunnel in the way?
Yes.
Okay, move the tunnel.
Okay. You might be scraping it. You're scraping it on that. It won't go that easy.
You think I'm not? Is it that tight?
Yeah, well, it's hit really bad. Right there.
Oh man.
What do you think?
Okay, see if we can get through.
Clipper got a new ball. Oh, yay. Okay. Put it right here. We're trying to make a video of the track going through here, but it won't fit. We're trying to do that, but it won't fit. Only right side up.
Where's the phone? Oh.
Okay, I gotta see that. I'm watching the video.
Wait, where's the thing? Oh, recording it.
Yeah, it's recording. Whoa. You know what there?
Darn it! I thought I changed the points to go in here.
You have to use your finger.
Okay, I just did.
I want to see this movie. Dad, come and watch it, Mom. Come and watch the movie with me. You can watch the movie. Yeah, there. The movie's right there.
Are we there? Well, where are we? We're not in it.
You have to be on the other side.
Oh, I see. Because the camera is on the other side.
I don't know if we're gonna make it. Nope.
You can do it standing up, Dad.